it's me Veronica, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be very quick. I just wanted to show you guys JuJuBe's newest Harry Potter print called Platform. I actually had this on pre-order and I just received it. This came out a while ago, so it took a really long time for my order to be fulfilled, but it finally arrived today. And so this is pretty much my first impressions, telling you guys how I feel about the print, if I like it. This is gonna be my first time ever seeing it in person, well, in real life. So if you're interested in seeing, and the package looks really dirty or whatever, but if you're interested in seeing what I got from the newest Harry Potter print from JuJuBe, then stay tuned. Okay, I have not opened this up yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and just rip it open. Right, information. Ooh, they gave me a coin purse. I was not expecting that, because I think a lot of the retailers, they only give you coin purses if you purchased, I think, $100 or more. And the Dapper, I think, was $30. This is the coin purse. It is so, sorry, but I don't know how the camera is. It is so cute. Super cute. And I just got the Dapper. I use these a lot, so I know I wanted to get another one. This is what this looks like. I am loving this new fabric. So this is what the B Dapper looks like. It's kind of like a carry-all bag. You can use this for pretty much anything. The lining, look at that. So stinking cute. And I really wanted this for the zipper pulls. Look at how cute these are. The little owl, and then the platform with the Harry Potter and JuJuBe logo. This fabric is very reminiscent to the older JuJuBe prints, which I'm very, very happy about. I think with the newest releases, this is going to be like the fabric that they're going to be using from now on. I do have another bag that was recently released, and the fabric is the same. It's nice and sturdy, it's structured, it's not floppy like the other Harry Potter. For instance, if you own or have seen the Harry Potter Keys print, that fabric is a lot more flat. This fabric is very structured, and I love that. So I am very pleased. I love this coin purse. Look at the placement on that. Like, it couldn't get any better. The train right in the middle. But I am very pleased with everything. I'm very happy. I feel like it was definitely worth the wait, and I'm very happy with what I got. Even though it was a small order, I'm very happy that they did throw in a coin purse. So that is my video. I told you it was going to be a really quick one. JuJuBe related, Harry Potter, two of my favorite things. I will see you guys in the next one. You guys stay safe. Bye.